Avalanche is a cryptographic money that has been causing disturbances in the computerized cash world. Its remarkable calculation and quick exchange speed have made it perhaps of the most well-known computerized money out there. Many individuals are considering what's on the horizon for Avalanche and whether its cost will keep on rising. In this video, we will investigate what Avalanche is, what crypto specialists consider it, and, obviously, show our AVAX coin cost forecast. Kindly recollect that our cost expectations don't comprise venture exhortation. Consistently do your own examination prior to trading any digital currencies. What is Avalanche? Controlled by the coordinated non-cyclic chart streamlined agreement component that works with quick exchange speed and versatility, Avalanche is a cutting-edge stage that empowers anybody to make, run, and oversee decentralized finance applications. Avalanche additionally has its own local token called AVAX. There are multiple ways for AVAX holders to procure rewards, for example, giving liquidity to the organization. The more AVAX tokens you hold, the higher your prizes will be. As well as hodling AVAX, you can likewise procure compensations by running a validator hub or marking your tokens in one of Avalanche's numerous dApps. Avalanche utilizes a decentralized independent association to decentralize power and settle on conclusions about the organization. This DAO is comprised of AVAX token holders who can decide on recommendations that will influence the organization. Avalanche Specialized Examination. The Avalanche digital money answers all around well to drift changes, meaning it will in general move in a similar heading as the remainder of the crypto market. AVAX has likewise shown that it has both mooning potential and vital help to ascend back up again in any event, when the circumstances are difficult. To wrap things up, the coin's market cap is areas of strength for genuinely. At the hour of composing, AVAX was inside the best 20 cryptographic forms of money on CoinMarketCap. In general, these things highlight a long-haul bullish as opposed to a negative pattern for Avalanche. Concerning the transient AVAX cost gauge, if it's not too much trouble, take a gander at the gadget underneath. Refreshed progressively based on different markers, for example, moving midpoints in the general strength list, it embodies the aftereffect of Avalanche's specialized investigation performed by TradingView. Assuming the outcome is purchase, that implies AVAX is probably going to ascend from now on. On the off chance that it sell, the coin's cost might decline soon. Avalanche Value Forecast 2023. As per the specialized examination of Avalanche costs expected in 2023, the base expense of Avalanche will be $26.23. The greatest level that the AVAX cost can reach is $31.46. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $27.14. Likely return on initial capital investment, 52.3% by AVAX value figure for January 2023 in view of the value vacillations of Avalanche toward the start of 2022. Crypto specialists expect the typical AVAX pace of $19.05 in January 2023. Its base and greatest costs can be anticipated at $17.42 and at $19.59 individually. Possible return for capital invested, 5.1% by February 2023. Avalanche Value Gauge digital currency specialists are prepared to declare their conjecture for the AVAX cost in February 2023. The base exchanging cost may be $18.90, while the most extreme could reach $20.55 during this month. Overall, it is normal that the worth of Avalanche may be around $19.81. Likely return on initial capital investment, 0.5% by AVAX value conjecture for WALK 2023. Crypto examiners have actually taken a look at the value variances of Avalanche in 2022 and in earlier years, so the normal AVAX rate they foresee may be around $20.60 in WALK 2023. It can drop to $19.70 as a base. The most extreme worth may be $21.34. Likely return on initial capital investment, 3.3% by April 2023. Avalanche value figure around mid-year 2022. The AVAX cost will be exchanged at $21.43 overall. April 2023 could likewise observe an expansion in the Avalanche worth to $22.37. It is accepted that the cost won't drop lower than $20.70 in April 2023. Expected return on initial capital investment, 8.3% by AVAX value gauge for May 2023. Crypto specialists have broke down Avalanche costs in 2022, so they are prepared to give their assessed exchanging normal to May 2023, $22.07. The most reduced and top AVAX rates may be $21.35 and $23.44. Likely return on initial capital investment, 13.5% by June 2023. Avalanche value conjecture. Crypto investigators expect that toward the finish of summer 2022, the AVAX cost will be around $22.95. In June 2023, the Avalanche cost might drop to at least $22.23. The normal pinnacle worth may be $24.32 in June 2023. Likely return for money invested. 17.8% by AVAX value conjecture for July 2023. Having examined Avalanche costs, digital currency specialists expect that the AVAX rate could arrive at a limit of $25.47 in July 2023. It may, notwithstanding, drop to $23.15. For July 2023, the estimated normal of Avalanche is almost $23.87. Possible return for capital invested. 23.3% by August 2023. Avalanche value figure around mid-2022. The Avalanche cost will be exchanged at the typical degree of $24.35. Crypto examiners expect that in August 2023, the AVAX cost could vary somewhere in the range of $23.44 and $26.67. Possible return on initial capital investment. 29.2% by AVAX value figure for September 2023. Market specialists expect that in September 2023, the Avalanche worth won't dip under at least $23.93. The greatest pinnacle expected for the current month is $27.88. The assessed typical exchanging worth will be at the degree of $24.84. Likely return for capital invested. 35% by October 2023. Avalanche value estimate. Digital currency specialists have painstakingly dissected the scope of AVAX costs all through 2022. For October 2023, their gauge is the accompanying. The most extreme exchanging worth of Avalanche will be around $28.88, with a chance of dropping to at least $24.86. In October 2023, the normal expense will be $25.58. Possible return for money invested. 39.9% by AVAX value figure for November 2023. In light of the value vacillations of Avalanche toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists expect the typical AVAX pace of $26.09 in November 2023. Its base and most extreme costs can be anticipated at $25.37 and at $30.16 individual. Expected return on initial capital investment. 46.1% by December 2023. Avalanche value estimate. Cryptographic money specialists are prepared to declare their figure for the AVAX cost in December 2023. The base exchanging cost may be $26.23, while the most extreme could reach $31.46 during this month. Overall, it is normal that the worth of Avalanche may be around $27.14. Expected return on initial capital investment. 52.3% by Avalanche value forecast 2024. After the examination of the costs of Avalanche in earlier years, it is accepted that in 2024, the base cost of Avalanche will be around